Congratulations on hosting the Oscars. Just want to tell you personally.
Not hosting, presenting.
Presenting, yeah. Congratulations on that. Great. So
Thank you.
the first question that I want to ask you is that you and Prakash have been wanting to work since a very long time. And now that finally it's happened, how was the entire experience? Yeah.
It was amazing because Prakash and I have been trying to work together for like at least 4 or 5 years, and I was so happy that he came to me with Gangajal because it's such an amazing story and it has so much of history with it. And especially this film, it's such a relevant film right now in terms of feminism, in terms of farmer suicides, in terms of so many relevant topics to the country right now that I'm very excited about being part of this film.
Okay, so Prakash has made his acting debut with this film. So I want
Yes.
to ask you, Prakash as a director or Prakash as an actor? What is the difference in similarity in working with in these different roles?
Well, Prakash as a director is a revelation to me because he was just so much fun to work with. He knew exactly what he wanted. He had his, he was so clear in his mind about what this film was that it was just amazing to work with him. And as an actor, I just bullied him all the time because I was a senior. But he's done an amazing job as BNC.
Okay, the last question before I give the phone to each and every media person is, are you planning to show this film to your friends in the West?
Yes, my friends are really, really excited. My cast is really excited. And I will be showing it to them in about, I think, 10 days.
Okay. So you guys ready to ask me other questions?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we understand, okay, give the phone to each person.
Yes, please.
Hi Priyanka, this is Bindu from Emirates 24/7 News in Dubai. Again, it's lovely to actually have you here, even if it's virtually. I was looking actually at your Twitter homepage and your masthead. You've got 2 pictures. One's of Ava Mathur, one's of Alex Parrish. And can you tell me what actually brings the 2 characters together for you? And on the flip side, how different is Ava from Alex?
Oh, they're completely different people and completely different characters. I think the only common ground between the 2 of them is that they're law enforcement and that I'm playing them. But Abha is born and brought up in Lucknow, very honest, very playing by the rules kind of law enforcement, whereas Alex breaks all the rules.
Who is the real Priyanka Chopra then? The one we would actually see in Jai Gangajal, the one who would actually break all the rules, or the one we would actually end up seeing on the red carpet in the next few hours at the Oscar ceremony?
Probably the one on the red carpet because I never relate myself to any of the characters that I play because I'm creating different people. But the one you'll see on the red carpet will probably be me.
Thank you very much. I'll pass on the phone to the next journalist.
Yes, thank you.
Hi Priyanka, it's Manjusha from Gulf News Dubai.
Lost video. Hi Manjusha, it's always good to speak to you. How are you?
Very good, you're creating history tonight. There's so much reflected pride going on here. How are you gearing up for the big
Thank
night?
you.
Do you think your presence...
Well, it's
Yes?
12:30 at night and I'm talking to you, so probably not preparing at all.
No, but it also shows that you're equally committed to your Bollywood movies, Jai Gangajal, as well as your Oscar turn at the red carpet. So how do you do both? This is a prime example of you doing a perfect juggling act here.
Yeah, well, this is exactly how I do it. I stay up at night for India and I stay up in the daytime for America, and that's my choice. I don't want to. I love Hindi films too much to not do them, and I love the fact that I'm making a foray into something completely new. I want to be able to do that as well. And as women, our superpower is multitasking, so that's what I'm planning on doing.
Right, and do you think your presence at the Oscars will actually put a lid on the debate about it being too whitewashed? A brown girl presenting an Oscar award, does it change things? Is it a start of good things to come?
Well, I definitely think it's a start, but I don't think it's the end of the debate for sure. It's a pretty big conversation that needs to be had. where diversity is a very important part of entertainment, because today global entertainment has become such a small place. People from different countries, people from different parts of the world are a part of global entertainment, and representation should mean that. I'm glad I am a step in that direction.
Great. And have you decided what to wear tonight?
No. I have a bunch of options, and I will, when I wake up tomorrow, which will be after like 4 hours of sleep or something, I'll see what I'm feeling, but I'm veering towards white as of now.
Brilliant. All the very best.
Thank you so much, Manjusha.
Hi Priyanka, Aarti Dani here from
I
Khal.
lost video.
Hi Priyanka,
Yes, can you see me?
Yes, I can. Hi, Aarti Dani here from Khaleej Times. How are you?
Hi, Auntie. I'm good, thank you.
Congratulations on all the amazing work that you're doing. Priyanka,
Thank you so
what it's like to see yourself on screen bashing men?
Alright, I didn't think of it like that, but I guess as law enforcement, I don't know if it's man or a woman, but I think ABBA bashes criminals, and if it's a guy, well then he gets it from her. If it's a woman, he gets it from her.
Okay, also Priyanka, when you go into a new role, do you go in with the confidence that you will pull it off, or you go with anxiety, whether or not you'll be able to handle it?
Well, both of them. Of course, there's anxiety of whether I'll be able to pull it off or not, because nobody has a 100% track record, including me. But I definitely have the confidence in my ability to do my job. So I have a little bit of both.
Also, Priyanka, according to your opinion, do you think people are writing more layered characters for female these days?
Well, I've been very blessed to have filmmakers who have come to me with roles and with films which have been not just written for me, but which have characters which are so multidimensional. So I'm very proud of the fact that I've been able to do work like that. And I think it's a great time to be an Indian film actor, to be a female actor in entertainment.
Definitely. Any role that you wouldn't play? Is there any role that you wouldn't play that you're like, no, definitely no?
Well, anything to do with nudity probably I wouldn't do.
Okay, awesome.
Any more questions?
Hi, how are you?
This is the last one.
Hi, Sandhya.
Working as a police officer, what you have learned as a woman? I mean, what would you like?
Well, I think well, the one thing is very hard to be a female police officer. I've learned that for sure, because, people have always for years in eons treated women as second-class citizens, and it's very hard for people to take female police officers seriously just because they are women. And I think this is going to be a big fight that will take a little while, but I'm really happy that, have a character like Abha in Jai Ganga Jal, where I play a very strong female police officer who wins, who proves a point that it doesn't matter what gender you are, as long as the color of the khaki is right, and I'm really happy to be doing that.
Yeah, one more question, guys. There was a lady in the
Hi Priyanka, it's Bindu again. You actually mentioned,
Hi, Bindu.
sorry, I just had another follow-up question, was that you're rooting for women empowerment. At the same time, you're talking about how this movie puts forward that women are just on the same level as men today.